Start a new project and import all the layers that are shown in the video. You must have one background layer, paper, 2 pictures of the person you're editing, an Instagram story overlay, a map, pink paper, camera, the person you're editing again, 2 Polaroids, 2 more pictures, tape, and this clip. Make sure your project has 3 beats. Let's start. Click on the Instagram story overlay, click on Edit Shape, and check the resolution. Now make sure that the 2 of your pictures imported have the same resolution. Now duplicate the Instagram story PNG. Click on it, go to Color and Fill, and click on the bucket emoji. Now hide this layer for a bit, and hide the overlay. Click on one of your pictures, go to Move and Transform, and add move keys at the start and second beat. At the start, move this to the right. And make sure that the edges of this picture are snapped to the edges of the picture behind. Now add this mid-graph. Click on the 3 dots and copy the curve so we can use it later. Now go to the picture behind and add move keys at the start and second beat. Now you can hide these PNGs to make it easier for you to see where you're moving your picture. On the second keyframe, move this to the left and make sure that the edges are snapped again. Paste the curve. Now unhide the solid layer. Select that along with the 2 pictures and click on the second grouping option. Now unhide the Instagram PNG. Go to Blending and Opacity, Lighten, and click on Screen. Now select the overlay with the group and click on the first grouping option. Now you can zoom this out and place it like shown. Now unhide the camera PNG and the picture. And with the use of Edit Shape, frame this inside. Click on the picture along with the PNG and click on the first grouping option. Now unhide this. Next, frame the 2 remaining pictures inside the Polaroids, and then we can start laying the layers out. Now select the picture with the Polaroid and click on the first grouping option. Then hide this layer and copy the same for the other one. Now you can unhide each layer and lay them out, or you can copy my layout. Select these two layers and make their duration longer. Now select the clip, go to Move and Transform and add move keys at the start and second beat. At the start, move it up. And then paste your curve. Select the tape PNG and do the same. Click on the map and add move keys at the start and second beat. On the first keyframe, move it to the side. And add this graph. Now click on the camera group and add move keys at the start and end. On the first keyframe, move the layer up. Add rotation keys at the start and end. And on the first keyframe, rotate it. And now paste the graph. Now go to the pink paper PNG and add move and rotate keys at the start and end. And the first keyframe, move the layer down. Now add the move and rotate keys on the polaroids as well. And lastly, select the paper PNG and add move keys at the start and end. And at the start, move it to the side. Paste the graph. Now go to the start of the entire transition and add a Null layer. Click on the clip, click on this icon at the top right, and if you don't have a membership, click Try It First, and then select the Null. Now copy the same exact thing for each layer. If you're a free user like me, you can still use pro effects by watching ads. After you're done, go to the Null and add move keys at the start and second beat. On the first keyframe, click on the Z and move it down or zoom it in. Now click on the XY and adjust and zoom it in even more. Now on the second keyframe, adjust the Z and X and Y so that you get this frame. and paste this graph. Now on the first beat, add another null. Adjust the duration. Now click on null 1 and connect it to null 2. Go to null 2 and add move keys at the start and end. And move this down. Now add rotate keys and rotate it. And paste the curves in both properties. Now add a rectangle, click on the 3 dots and click Fill Composition Area. Adjust its duration. And now select every single layer and click on the second grouping option. And now you can add your effects and shakes.